Welcome back. So, some basic considerations for massage. 1. Contraindications. Both you and the client or the person that you're going to give the massage treatment to must be in good health. We do not want to spread infection or anything like that. So 2, as well as that, everything you touch must be cleaned. We'll go through this a bit more when we get to draping and considerations for the table. Because your linen must be clean, whatever you're using around the face must be clean, your hands must be clean, obviously, as well as your general appearance and everything else around the direct area where you're going to be coming in contact with that person. So some more contraindications include rashes, skin lesions, any open wound, any closed wound as well, because we don't want to run over that or cause an infection in that area. Any drugs that they've been taking as well, because as we massage we increase the circulation. I've heard a story of way back in the 70s, junkies would go and get a massage because it was cheaper than going to get another hit. Once the massage and the circulation increased, they actually got another high from it. So that's another thing to look out for. We also have any injuries to look at. If the person has any neck or spinal injuries, we want to avoid that area. If it comes to it as well, they might not be able to lay down or get into the position that you wish them to be in to receive that massage treatment. We might be causing them more injury than doing them good. Another consideration is your body. You want to remain upright. You don't want to hunch and bend into a terrible position where you might have to spend the next 15, 10, whatever minutes treating that person in that way. Because trust me, I've learned this from experience, that sucks. At the end of the day, it really sucks and you get sore. But we'll talk about more of that when we're using our body. But anyway guys, those are some basic considerations before even starting with massage. So that's it for this lesson guys. Join me in the next one.